cooking and vlogs. So I hope you all be fine. I hope you all be good by grace of Allah, by grace of God. So today I'm going to making very tasty, very delicious and very stuffed potatoes parathas recipe. As we all know guys, the season's going on for the parathas, for the potatoes recipe. So let's get started these recipe right now. So now I'm going to put some boiled potatoes. Sorry, not some. Actually, I'm always used to very good amount of boiled potatoes for stuffing the parathas. Hence, I'm going to use 3 kg of boiled potatoes. Now you can see the amount of potatoes. Now I'm going to mash it with a masher. So here I'm going to give a very special tip, which is you should always take 4 whistles to cook potatoes. And very important tip once again, which is you should always mash the potatoes after not so very coated but cold. So now you can observe my all potatoes going to mashed. Now it's time for spice. Firstly, I'm just put some salt as per my taste. Now you can put as your taste. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon cumin seed, which is smells really very great. There are some green chilies, fresh coriander leaves, mint. Put some fresh mint, green chilies, fresh coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon asafoetida down. Now I am going to mix very well with the help of my hands. Now you can observe the texture. It's nice. It's done. Now I am going to take dough ball. So after making the dough balls, press it with the help of your palms, with the help of your fingers, as I am doing right now. And now I am going to start roll it with a roller. After it, I am going to stuff potatoes for the parathas and very gently roll it with the help of your roller. Now it's time to bake it on the hot pan. Bake it from the both sides with the help of your oil as you want, with the help of ghee, butter as you want. So now you can see it's done now, but I am going to repeat my process for once again. For others, I am going to stuff with potatoes. Very gradually you have to close it. I am enjoying it. You can see. Roll it with a ruler. Again, this time to bake it. You have to bake from both sides with the help of butter or oil as you want. I hope you would like to my videos. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel right now. Don't forget to press bell icon. If anyone have some cooking tips for me, they can comment me in the comment box. I would love that. So now this is the time for taste. Let's taste together guys. I think this is look yum. You all like it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for the next update. Get in touch. Thank you so much.